Hey everyone, okay, it is time to work on the last room of this house, and that is the master bedroom and the master bath. So let me turn this camera around and let you see what I'm dealing with. Okay, this is it. I have took items off the wall, things out of here that I have placed in the other part of the house. Kind of pulled things off of that. Kind of pulled some items off of here. This was one of the pieces that I did not want, but my husband wanted it because it has drawers. So we're going to incorporate it. Alrighty, the master bath. Nothing crazy, but those baskets are the ones that I want to replace. And I think I have an idea for this. So let me get to work. Okay, everyone, I finally finished this several hours later, and I'm done. So, on to the next room, and that is the master bedroom. So, I hope you guys stay tuned to see what I do in here. So until the next video, have fun decorating. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So I am in the master bedroom, and this is my last room to rearrange, redecorate, organize, clean out, downsize, whatever you want to call it. And I cannot wait to get this room done. So I'm going to put this piece back over there. The furniture is going to stay where it is. This wall right here, there's a piece out in the garage that I want to use, which will be great storage, and it will go in here. So let me get started. We'll see how much I can do. I hope you stay tuned. I hope you watch to the very end, and thank you so much for watching this Oh So and So rearrange this house. Let's get busy. Okay, so I got all of that dusted, even dusted under the bed, which you will be surprised how much dust gets in your house. I definitely want, a lamp on both sides. I'm not sure about what I am putting on the back, so that is something that I have to think about. I might see. I might see something that might work. The top of that cabinet over there, let me show you. That cabinet, the top part, this part right here, it goes with this piece. I don't know, then my lamps wouldn't work. Alrighty, so I just gotta keep plugging along. I don't know. I hate to kind of move any of the furniture in here because I think I have it placed. By the time I get that big piece over there, I think it'll be okay. So I think for right now, I think I'm just going to work just on behind the bed and off to the side. So let's see what I get. Okay, so I'm thinking that's a very long wall, and as you all know, I have a lot of smalls. So, but here is my idea. This is an idea I have. Now, that wall is, what is it? It is 14.5 feet. So, I'm thinking this on the wall. Because that way I could put stuff inside and on top. So let's see if this works. Okay, so I got the crates on the wall. So I'm not sure what you guys think. It is definitely something different. And I'll use each crate for like a little different vignette. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, guys. I got it up there. And I put something different in each one. Just using what I had in this room. Now, I do have some areas that I can add, which is always good. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to do some more cleaning. It is so nice to have my bed made for a change. So, hopefully, by this next little bit, you'll see the whole thing. So, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go to the master bath first. I really like the baskets. And my husband even said without that wire basket in the middle, it feels larger. I got some new soap pumps, but not very much, but it's a lot better. All right, so now into the master bedroom. You know, when you decorate the last room, you definitely have to get creative. Now, I like this. I'm not quite sure about this area. It needs something. And I moved that frame down. Of course, you know, I had to add suitcases. That's the piece I was talking about. I still need
something right there. I haven't decided. But the nice thing about it is this cabinet, I have my crafts in. I even went through that stuff. And I added these. Now, these are the sewing machine drawers. Of course, I had to put my wedding dress back in. And I kept the side areas kind of light. I didn't use a whole lot. But I think the big difference for this room is, let me back up some more, are the wood crates. I know, it's definitely a little different. So, but I was able to do like a little small vignette in each one of the crates. And yes, I made sure that each crate was in a stud. Hold on, let me get to the other side of the bed so you can see the other stuff. This was fun. And I always love to use the little stuff. Alrighty, guys. So this is definitely a wrap on redoing this whole house. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope you enjoy decorating. So, until the next time, I will see ya. Thanks so much for watching.